Hello everyone, so good evening. So I'm gonna share with you about my holy experience. Yeah, so I'm so sorry that I had not shared the video yesterday. Actually, I was so tired that I slept. So sorry for that, but today I'm gonna share with you what I did. And I think you are guessing it right that I am having colors on body on all the parts because I played Holi like very well. So yeah, so I was in Bela, now I'm in Gaya. I was at my grandmother's house and there we played Holi with all my family relatives. So first of all, I woke up around 7:30. Then I wished everyone a happy Holi by going downstairs, and I applied abhi to all. After that, I had gone upstairs, and then I was filling balloons and drum with my father so that we can enjoy. After that, after filling the balloons, we had the breakfast. In the breakfast, it was puwa, puri, sabji, right? It was very tasty. I liked it so much. So after that, we moved to Natik Niharika's place where they live. And there we played Holi very well. Like we enjoyed so much. Natik Niharika knew it that we played very well. Yeah, so with water, with colors, it was all fun. After that, from there, we had gone to many people's house. There we applied color to them. After that, we came to our home. There with Natik Naka, there the students of the academy came, so we played with them also. After that, I took bath and I washed my hair also. After that, I was resting for some time, and after that, around 5 o'clock, my mama, mami, my brothers came. So after that, we had gone to Khalkochak. It is my maternal grandfather's or maternal grandmother's home, my nani ghar. So we had gone there, and their nani nana was there. So we applied color to them. And after that, like my friends are in Bela, in Gaya, and in Khalkuchak also there are many friends. One Didi was there, Shipradi. So she is in Turk. She live in Kota. So she was also there. So I played with them. Then Nancy, she is like our relative only. So I applied to her only. Then there were many old relatives of mine, like the friends of Nanaji and all. So I applied to them also. And then I had gone to the Nani's house terrace. There are many plants were planted, so I was seeing them. Like it is a pure village, the feeling of Khalkuchak is like pure. It is pure village, not much pure, but it is a pure village. There are Nani Nana was very happy that we gave them the surprise, and after that we returned from there. After that, in Bela also we played with Abir with all the people. We had gone to many people's house also. Then I had gone to Niharika Natik's house. There we were dancing on songs, Bhojpuri songs and all. We were just enjoying. Then I returned home. After that, I was not in the mood of eating something, so I was resting. And then after that, around 10:30, I slept.